Hello foodies, today let's make Chettinad style boiled egg pepper fry. Here is another easy side dish that can be put together in minutes. It goes perfectly well with lemon rice. So welcome back to Shimi's kitchen with me Shumaila. Let's begin the process. Bismillah. First I'm going to add 1 small roughly chopped onion in a blender, 5 to 6 garlic pods, 1 inch ginger, half teaspoon fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon black peppercorn, 1 teaspoon coriander seeds, half teaspoon salt. Close the lid and blend it nicely. Heat 2 tablespoon oil in a frying pan. Add the mixture and now roast it for 2 minutes on medium-high heat. Goes in 1/4 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix it up nicely. Add little water and cook for 2 minutes on slow flame. Adding some fresh curry leaves. Again add some water and cook this till raw smell goes off and till it changes the color. And now place boiled eggs on top of the masala. Spread all the masala over the boiled eggs. Pour some more oil on top. And now I'm going to cook this for 10 to 15 minutes on slow flame. The eggs are ready when the masala is dry and the eggs are brown and roasted for about 15 minutes. And now serve immediately with your choice of main course. I serve this with lemon rice, sevia, upma, tomato rice. So make sure you try this recipe and let me know your reviews. If you guys like this boiled Chettinad style masala eggs, give a big thumbs up below and don't forget to share and subscribe. See you next time with more amazing and delicious recipes. Take care and have a nice day.